Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss about how to provide the slab in ETABS. Okay, so generally we know that there are generally two types of slab, two and three types of slab, like simply supported slab, like continuous slab and cantilever slab. Okay, so to provide the slab in ETABS, what we do is that first we have to go in slab sections. Okay, see there is a slab sections. Just you right click with the help of mouse, so you will get add new slab sections. You have to go there, just click here. So see, it's asking property name. So here you have to write slab, just caps on slab, and how much thickness you are going to provide. See, in the case of dining hall, in the case of normal room, in the case of kitchen, in the case of washroom and like that, we generally provide the thickness of the slab is 150 mm. Okay, so just write here 150 mm. Okay, slab material. So which type of concrete you are generally going to use in the construction of slab? So we generally use M30 grade of concrete in the case of slab. So just click here M30. Okay, rest of thing is as usual. Okay, here it's asking the thickness, type is slab, and thickness, how much thickness. So you have been provided 150 mm thickness, so just write here 150 mm thickness and just click OK. After getting OK, see this is your slab. Okay, so just click here, and now there are two options to provide the slab. See, first one is draw floor wall and second one is draw rectangular. So if your slab shape is rectangular, so in that case you have to use this one, and if there is some unsymmetrical shape in the case of slab, so you have to use this one. Okay, so see this is your unsymmetrical shape, so just click slab 150 mm and just click here. Okay, and after clicking here you have to go bottom here property. So just click here, and see slab 150 mm M30 is you are going to provide. So just click here, and now just click like that. Okay, see we are providing the slab. Just click here, just click here. See red cursor if will show, just click. Okay, like that, just click and just press escape. So you have been modeled the slab. Okay, so now you have to provide the slab in this case. So see this shape is rectangular shape. Okay, so you have to use this one. So just click slab 150 mm M30, and now just go there, draw rectangular, click here, and now go to the property. When you click on the property, see slab M 150 mm M30 is there. Just click here, and now just drag. Okay, like that. So you have been created the rectangular slab, you have been created the unsymmetrical type of slab. Okay, now other thing is that in the case of stair slab, okay, minimum we provide the thickness of the slab in the case of stair is 200 mm. So in that case it is not possible to provide this 150 mm. So for providing the slab in stair, you have to create new slab sections. So just go there in slab sections again, and just right click and add new slab sections, and here property name is stair. Just write here stair slab, how much thickness, so 200 mm thickness. Okay, now go to the slab material. So slab material is M30, and in the case of stair case, see modeling type, just go to the modeling type and click here membrane. Okay, and here you have to click use special one way load distributions. Just click here, and here thickness is 200 mm, already you provided 200 mm. So just click OK and OK. Okay, so just OK. See here you slab stair 200 mm is there. Just click here the stair is rectangular, so just click here, and now just go to the property, just click property and go to the stair. See, slab stair 200, just click here and just see, when you will go and put the cursor, it will show like this. See, this is your, see, if at the edge it will show like this red, so it is okay. Okay, just click here and just drag. So you have been provided the staircase slab. See, this is your one-way distributions it's showing, and in the it is also stair. Just click here and okay, it's also showing one-way distribution. So this is the way to provide the slab. Okay, in any types of structures you can go with the help of this. Okay, so I hope you got it. What is the process to provide the slab in rectangular slab, or if there is a unsymmetrical slab, or if there is a stair slab. Okay, so in next video we will come with the different topics. Okay, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.